If the tension on both upper and under thread is normal, the result will be perfect. The needle and bobbin thread will be locked in the center of the thickness of the fabric. But if the tension of the upper thread is too strong, the joint points will come up to the surface of the fabric. If the tension of the under thread is too strong, the joint points will go down to the underside of the fabric. If both of them are too loose, floating stitches will appear. If too tight, the fabric will be wrinkled and the thread will break. Now pay attention. The upper and under thread can be regulated according to the need. If the upper thread is too tight, loosen the thumb knot of the tension disc. The thumb knot of the tension disc, loosen it. If the under thread is too loose, lift out the bobbin case and tighten the screw of the tension spring leaf outside the bobbin case with the screwdriver. Now this is a tension spring leaf. So the screwdriver, you can tighten and loosen the spring leaf tension. If the upper thread is too loose, tighten the thumb knot of the tension disc. If the under thread is too tight, lift out the bobbin case and loosen the screw of the tension spring leaf outside the bobbin case. Tighten with the screw the tension spring leaf.